Aujourd'hui, we'll learn how to make a smooth shot with your iPhone where you can be sure that your video will always be in focus with perfect exposure.
Damn.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll learn step by step and in a very easy way how to do a head-on shot with your iPhone. And if we don't know each other yet, enchantée, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist and my YouTube channel is all about high-tech. Now let's get into the tutorial. To get this effect, you need two very important accessories, your hand and your phone. And the options that will help you do the trick, the slow motion and the AE/AF lock feature. Some of you will look at me with confidence as you know what I'm talking about, but for those of you who don't have a clue about what I'm talking, this explanation is for you. The AE/AF lock is a feature inside your iPhone's camera that allows you to lock the focus and exposure values when taking a photo or a video. AE stands for auto exposure. Exposure refers to the brightness of the image. AF stands for autofocus. Focus is to do with which part of the image appears in sharp focus. If you simply point your iPhone camera at a scene and press the shutter button, the camera will decide which part of the scene to focus on, usually the middle of the frame, and what level to set the exposure. To create the best possible image, it's essential that the camera is focusing on your intended subject. So rather than letting the iPhone decide what to focus on, you should always set the focus point manually. If you're still here and enjoy this video, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can see each other more. Voila! Now that you know everything about this head-on shot movement, let's practice! To lock the focus and exposure point, simply tap and hold where your hand is on the screen for a few seconds. When you see AE/AF lock in a yellow box at the top of the screen, release your finger. Now, put your phone horizontally for YouTube or traditional TV videos or vertically for Instagram, TikTok, etc. And swipe. I said to find a love within. Hey les amis, if you haven't done it yet, hit the pouce play button just down below and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, reviews and fun! See you next week, take care, stay safe, salut!